guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. In today's video I am doing a closet declutter, and to be honest, this is filmed like a week after I filmed the other portion that you're going to see, and the reason I'm refilming it is because it was not the most flattering angle for the portion where I was talking. It showed a double chin, and to be even like more honest, I've gained a few pounds, and I'm definitely like the heaviest that I've ever been in my entire life, so I'm having a hard time dealing with that. So then editing a video where I have a double chin because of the angle, and maybe I actually do have one, I don't know, and just thinking about putting that on the internet where I already don't really feel super comfortable all the time, and then, you know, seeing that online, then I also want to feel comfortable. So I decided to just go ahead and refilm it. So I really hope that I don't forget anything that I said that day. But with that being said, yes, I'm doing a closet declutter. More of a like trying to find my style. And in last week's video, you know, I kind of touched on this. I actually really touched on this for the most part. But I'm gonna go ahead and touch on it again in case you didn't watch that video, but you should, so I'll link it right up here for you. It was a thrift haul, and so I kind of like talk about why I set out to do this. It wasn't necessarily for thrifting, but I hadn't been thrifting in a while. Anyways, it prompted me going through my closet, and what I wanted to accomplish with this, my goal was to pull out items that I feel really don't suit my style. But if you sit and think, like, I don't really know what my style is, at least I didn't before I started this process. And there's a video by Ashley, her YouTube channel is Best Dressed. Again, it'll be linked down below, it was linked down in the other video too. She kind of like talks about how to find your style, and full disclosure, like I still haven't watched it a week later and I still did not watch the whole video. But what I did retain from it was kind of going on Instagram and following, you know, fashion-centered accounts and influencers, if you will, and going to your explore page, and it will, you know, filter out more fashion forward ideas, pages, whatever. But you know, it's kind of tricky to do that, especially if a personal account. Most of you watching are probably ones that use Instagram as like a personal thing, so your explore page really wouldn't be suited towards that because of the algorithm and how long it takes like to get something that you kind of deep dive off of it, because it's just kind of showing you what you would be interested in. So she suggests creating a whole new page and just following, you know, fashion-esque accounts, and that's what I did. And honestly, it really helped. Like, I found out that I really like cozy attire, but also cute, and like sweater weather and fall attire is just right up my alley. Unfortunately, I can't really dress like that all year because it gets stupid hot in Ohio. So I feel like once it starts to warm up again, I'm probably gonna have to do this whole process again. And if you watch the thrift video, then you know that I didn't really find that many items. But I feel like they were actually honed into what type of style I want to have. And when I went out thrifting, I had the intentions of kind of getting these key items, and I found some of them, and I didn't find a lot of them though. Hello? The other type of thing you can do is hone in on what brands that you really gravitate towards. Specifically, in my opinion, ones that set out the same type of clothing. Now, not all brands do that, and I guess when I say type, like I mean style. However, you go to Forever 21 and it's just mass different styles, and it's all what's on trend, but there's so many different things. Same thing kind of with H&M, in my opinion. Like those kind of fast fashion that are a little bit more inexpensive, I feel like are just throwing out a bunch of trendy different fashion styles, where some of the other, you know, brands may not set out as many, and definitely not as much, in my opinion at least. So a couple of my favorites are Madewell and Anthropologie and Banana Republic, and I know those are all very expensive. In my opinion, they're very expensive. However, the quality of those items are good, and the styles that they set out really like match to what I feel is my style. So that's what I recommend doing too, is looking at those pages. And maybe you don't necessarily, and not those specific stores, but maybe you don't necessarily buy clothes from them because it might be out of your price range or something of that nature, but at least you get an idea of, this is the style that I enjoy to wear, and that can only help you if you maybe feel the same way that I do with not really knowing what your personal style is. That was a very long explanation, and I hope that I covered everything that I intended to. So here in a little bit, we'll start the declutter, but I kind of want to talk about what my intention was with actually going through my closet. I did a Marie Kondo declutter, you know, a while ago, and I will link it for you. Oh my gosh, my battery's about to die. And it wasn't really that style. It was, I wanted this to be picking out items that I truly feel are my type of style. So in my true Libra fashion, I had a hard time of making a decision, and also like letting things go. Can't help it, it's just in my blood. So I am using another style where like I hook the hangers the opposite way to really show me a pattern of what I'm wearing. Now, you know, the only kind of caveat to that is it is colder now, so I'm not going to wear as many t-shirts or tank tops. So those kind of need to wait until it gets a little bit warmer again. So I'm not going to really go through those, but that is what I am doing now to really still see what I actually wear, and getting rid of the things that I do not wear and I have not worn for a long time. So why do I still have them? I can't be the only one like this. I'm pretty sure I'm not. So that was my intention, and I predicted in that video, and I guess I predicted when I originally filmed it, that I wasn't going to get rid of as many items. I didn't get rid of as many as I wanted to, but I feel like I actually made a big dent. In the end, you'll see how much I did get rid of, and I feel like that was actually a pretty good step towards it. And I reorganized my closet as well, which I go into. So I'm pretty sure that I've hit everything that I wanted to hit for this refilming intro portion. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the actual, you know, decluttering and reorganization portion of this video. So this is my closet. I didn't ask for judgment on the amount of things in here, but just keep in mind this is my main storage area, okay? I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to pull it all out and put it into probably 3 piles on my bed, which you'll be seeing here in a little bit. And it's going to be like definitely yes, maybe, and no. Hi, hello, I'm trying to film. Is it necessary to yell? No? Okay. So for one, here you can see my room is a mess. This is par for the course when I record videos. But this is everything that I did get rid of. So some of these things like have been my absolute favorite thing ever in the entire world, and then somehow some mysterious stain got on it, and that is so disappointing because honestly this turtleneck is probably my favorite thing I've ever bought, and I have to get rid of it because that is unacceptable. 19 things, not too bad. I may sell some of these items, I may not, but honestly by the time this video goes up they're not going to be posted regardless, so no point in acting like it will be. That is everything for this video, and since I have been using my closet for a week now, it has been convenient having it organized the way that I did by like cut, I guess. I don't know fashion, okay? I just want to find my style and then I can figure out that fashion. But it has worked for me. I haven't changed anything since. I also was, you know, out of the country, the state for like 3 days this week, so you know I packed my things and it wasn't like I was in and out, and honestly I'd packed my bag before I even filmed that portion of the video. So anyways, that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am posting every week and I'm holding myself to it. So by the time you're seeing this, I should actually be consistent with this. Follow my social medias. They are on the screen now and they are linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.